Hey everybody, Amba here, and as you might know, I'm a yoga teacher and I'm into this natural living, and today I want to talk about castor oil, and we're gonna make a castor oil pack later in this video. Here you can see my castor, and so castor is anti-inflammatory and it's antimicrobial. It's good for dry skin and wrinkles. It aids in wound healing, and you can get also rid of those spots like I have somewhere here. I haven't tried it yet, but I will. It's been also used in hair and scalp care and as a laxative, but you can have side effects like diarrhea. Some people can get also allergic reaction to their skin, and you can't use it if you are pregnant. So you have to talk with your doctor first. And if you decide to use castor oil, use organic, cold pressed, and it says hexane free, but it means petroleum free as far as I understand. And something that is meant for therapeutic use. And it needs to be in dark bottle like mine. Mine is Cassia skincare oil. And when I was working in a health food store, I know that this is a good, reliable company. I was introduced this oil therapy through my friend who's a medical doctor and also an acupuncturist. And she is very much to the natural healing, if one can do that. She's her first choice. So she told me to use it because I had a flexor tenosynovitis and in my right hand, and it was actually from the wrist all the way to my shoulder. This wrist was really killing me, and what she recommended helped me. She recommended to use this every day, and I had this it was like a cotton thing on my wrists, and because I was sleeping, it didn't hold very well, so I had one of those cleaning gloves you put on, and then I had my brace, and it really helped me. So this oil has been around at least 4,000 years, and the recommendations to use it is every 2 days, at least 3 times a week, and at least for 30 days to 6 weeks, and after that you start to see some change. So let's do a castor oil packs now. So I had this piece of it was actually a clean plastic bag, and this is really sturdy plastic. So then you need cotton material. When we make the big one, you can put it on your stomach, and you can use it, for example, IBS, diarrhea, constipation, bloating, so many things. And thicker this pack is, more oil it holds. So more layers of cloth makes it thicker. Here I already stapled the edges to this little pack. And now, one came out when I was stretching. So let me staple a couple more. And now I have tape here. So why we have this plastic here is because we don't want this oil to mess up our clothes. And this plastic should be at the back, not touching your skin. And I tape it. I need to bring some of that tape on the other side, otherwise the oil would leak out from this package. And you can be as neat as you want to. I'm really doing this first time, so. And I was making this, I was thinking if I put it here, it helps my wrist, and I still can use that plastic glove tape. But I'm still trying to use some of it here. For this short side. So let's try this stuff. I think maybe that one would work better. So the long side and then the short side. On that side again, so let's put it this way and then turn around. So anyway, we have to cover the staples. And now I have a pack for my wrist. And of course, when you're gonna put this oil into it, you just put it there and let it sink for a little while so that it really gets saturated. Okay, let's see this other one. So my cotton is very soft. Okay. We staple it. And when it's done, I tape it again, and I just have to cut a little bit these edges closer. So let me know in comments if you use any natural products, trying those for curing yourself, or you just use our Western medicines. So I think both of them have a place in our system. Thank you for watching. Leave comments, leave likes, and if you find this helpful, share it with your friends. Have a great day, and next week we're gonna dive into another subject. So the channel is about yoga. It's about yoga practices, be it a physical practice, be it meditation, or yogic solutions for example, back problems or losing weight and stuff like that. So please continue watching these and give us feedback. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your likes. Have a great day, and I hope you find this helpful. Bye-bye.